Chisum back, and looks like about 100 yards out. He's been standing for about 3 minutes. Turned him loose on this fence row, and he wanted to run to the end of it. Now he's standing. This is beautiful. I've been waiting for something like this. He's getting it. That Oklahoma trip was worth Maggie's on a find. This is the kind of training that wild birds will give you. Just one trip out to Oklahoma, all of a sudden he's clicking on backing. Good. Good girl, Maggie. Boy, Chisum. Good. Good wolf. This is a wild bird. Illinois. Season's out. Good. Ooh. Good wolf. Good girl, Maggie. Okay. Careful. Boy, that was beautiful. That was good. Good work. Maggie's probably been standing for, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. Nice.